Hey YouTube, this is Conrad here. I'm going to show you how to do an air filter and a cabin filter on a 2017 Hyundai Santa Fe. They're all the same, really. Hasn't really changed much, but this is where the air filter is. Pull the cover. Just like you see lock, unlock. Boom. Pull. Definitely dirty. Do every 12,000 miles. Let me see. Put it right back in. So now I'll show you for the cabin filter. What's this? There is a bottom shock here, which just put your finger, you pry it. Boom. Pump it out. Tab. Turn. Yeah. Unplug that. Plug this. Then you have the cover. You press these clips here. Then grab and pull. Obviously, you can see it is dirty. Arrow going down. There's a part number for the filter if you're looking to get an OEM filter. Goes back. Sometimes you have to push it in. Corner. I am demonstrating filter with the dirty one, since the replacement is not here yet. It's fairly quick. Takes half an hour at the dealer. Then sometimes you have to pull the shock out down a little bit since it is under pressure.